So we are going to share a recipe. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. It feels pretty good to not be the only one behind the camera. But tonight, Alex is going to teach y'all how to make zesty lime chicken sandwiches.
Just like my wife said, tonight we are going to make zesty lime chicken sandwiches. We went with Tyson thin sliced chicken breast. We figured it'd be easier to go on your sandwiches. We went with sesame seed brioche buns. Also, you'll need all-purpose flour, eggs, nature's seasoning, and also you'll need zesty lime chicken seasoning in 2 large bowls.
Okay, so what Alex is doing here is he is adding 1 layer of saran wrap to the cutting board, and then he's going to put down the thinly sliced layers of chicken. He's gonna pat them, that way the breading coats evenly and all that good stuff. And then he's also going to add another layer of the saran wrap on top and beat those babies. All right, so like I said, he is going to flatten these out completely. And this will make them all the same thickness. All right, so right now we're just going ahead and patting the chicken dry. This just makes it easier for the flour and the seasoning to stick to it.
So now I'm going to season each side with nature's seasoning.
This is gonna be so good. I cannot wait to try it. I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all and see how good he did.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good as well. So now we are going to get 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The most important is going to be adding the zesty lime seasoning to your flour. Now we are going to mix it all together. So now we are going to use 2 large eggs.
All right, so he's gonna whisk these eggs together for our chicken breading. Is that what we call it?
Yes.
Y'all know, Alex loves making all these concoctions. He is just the concoction master.
I'll try to make some concoctions. So now you're going to take your chicken, lay it into your flour, mix it around real good, get it coated real good, and then you are going to put it in your eggs. So you're going to put it back in your flour. Make sure you get it all good and covered, pat it on there good. You will get your hands dirty, so.
Wiggle, wiggle. I want to see you dribble, dribble. How's it go?
I'm not too sure.
You watch TikTok more than me. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let it kind of soak in to the chicken. And for all of you that think that Piper starves, this is her prescription cat food that she eats. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add your cooking oil. This is what's going to fry your chicken breast. I would fill it up to about a 1/4 inch. Seems like a lot, but you know, you have to cover the chicken breast.
Probably gonna get your oil at about 375 degrees. So whenever you put these in here, be extremely careful because you're messing with grease.
Looks like we can only fit 3 in here at a time. That's okay. We want them to be as good as possible. So let them cook for about 3 minutes. Yeah, also, Alex wants y'all to know that don't close it completely. You don't want it to catch on fire. It might get too hot. He just has that so like the bubbles won't pop out and hurt anybody. All right, so we're at about 3 minutes. So once you get to about 3 minutes, you want to flip these over and cook them an additional 3 minutes on the other side. You see how that side's a little bit brown? That's how you want it to look.
Alrighty, so it has been another 3 minutes. Wow, that looks so delicious.
And that means we're done with this part.
So you want to pick it up, try to drain as much grease off there as you can.
Could we get a napkin or no? That'll be alright.
You can get a napkin if you want. Oh, now watch out from all the water still in there.
So you can actually place these on a napkin if you want to. We just didn't think of it at the time. Real talk, so. Woo!
Watch out for all that. Alright, we're going to open it up, see what we got. Wow, look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Ooh, it's melting. Yes, auntie. And then we found these at Walmart not too long ago. They're not hot like they say they are, but they are really, really good. Let's see how good Alex did on this recipe, because he literally made this up like a few minutes before. This is a concoction of his, so.
Let's see.
Let's taste. Now, I would highly recommend probably toasting the buns, but.
Very, very good.
So I give these like a 9.5 out of 10, and that's only because if we would have toasted the buns, we forgot we were going to, they wouldn't like be as soggy on the bottom, and they're not even really that soggy. But the chicken and the pickles and the cheese, so freaking good.
Very delicious. Cheers.